I thought Bitcoin was just hype, just digital casino chips for people trying to get rich quick. But in 2025, I discovered the truth, and it changed how I see money forever. This is not just a currency, it's a revolution. In this video, I'll show you how Bitcoin actually works, why the media won't explain it to you, and how I now use it to escape inflation and build financial independence, quietly, without trading, without hype. Most people still think Bitcoin is either dead, or dangerous. Isn't it too late? Isn't it a scam? Didn't it crash? But what they don't realize is this. While they scroll past headlines, the smartest people on the planet, hedge fund managers, tech billionaires, even governments, are quietly stacking Bitcoin like it's digital gold. Why? Because it's the most scarce, decentralized, and censorship-resistant form of money ever created. Bitcoin is not a company. It has no CEO. It doesn't print more coins when the economy gets shaky. It's open source, borderless, and unbreakable, running on a global network that no single country controls. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Governments can print trillions of dollars. But Bitcoin? It's mathematically limited. In a world drowning in debt and inflation, scarcity is power. I used to chase coins, trade tokens, look for the next 100x gem. I wasted months, lost money, then I asked a better question. What if I just focused on the one asset that's been around since 2009 and never needed marketing, yet kept surviving every crash? That asset was Bitcoin. In 2025, here's exactly what I do. I don't trade. I don't speculate. I simply accumulate small amounts of Bitcoin every week, what they call dollar cost averaging, DCA. Whether the price is up or down, I keep stacking. I hold it in my own wallet, not on an exchange, because if it's not your keys, it's not your Bitcoin. And slowly, quietly, my wealth grows, outside the system. Traditional finance runs on debt, inflation, and control. Banks loan your money, governments print more of it, and you lose purchasing power every year. Bitcoin flips that system. It gives you control. No inflation. No bank fees. No middlemen. That's why institutions fear it, and why the smart ones are quietly buying it behind closed doors. In 2025, we saw something wild. Bitcoin ETFs got approved. Major brands like Apple and Starbucks accepted. Countries like El Salvador doubled down. Bitcoin isn't in the shadows anymore. It's showing up on retirement plans, payroll systems, national reserves. And this is still just the beginning. I wish I knew that. You do not need to get rich off Bitcoin. You just need to be early enough to not be late. Bitcoin isn't about overnight success. It's about long-term survival. It's about escaping a system that's designed to keep most people poor. In 2030, people will look back at 2025 and ask, why didn't more people buy Bitcoin? The signs are everywhere. Banks are failing. Inflation is rising. The dollar is losing value. And Bitcoin? It keeps running, quietly.